Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we're out here at the hangar today. You saw us pull in. You saw me show that trail camera that's 12 feet in the air. If you've been around the channel a while, you've known we've had a few break-ins on our property over the years, and I do a lot of hunting out here as well. So recently, a company reached out to me regarding trail cameras, and I couldn't be happier to accept their offer after I looked into their trail camera. So we have a cellular trail camera here. Let me get you a view of it. We're going to do a complete unboxing and mounting in this video, and I'll show you how it works. We'll let it set and cook for a week or so and see if we get any action on it. And I suspect we will. We're going to place this over a trailhead that I have down here, or a trail runway I have down here. So what do we have here? We have a cellular trail camera with a solar panel and a built-in 1300 milliamp battery, which is a pretty good sized battery. No need for, what I like is there's no need for AA batteries. Let's go through it real quick. 2K video with sound, 5 megapixel high resolution photos, trigger speed 0.3 seconds. That's pretty fast. Again, I said 1300 milliamp. This is 13,000 milliamp battery. High capacity, weatherproof, and night vision range of about 100 feet. Output cable comes with a 5-watt solar charger with a bunch of rotation. You've got 1.8 meters of that output cable. So that allows you to move that solar cable around, and it can move around. So let's take a look at and see what we have here. I don't have personal experience with cellular cameras. I have several trail cameras on our property. I put them in strategic locations to look over some of my hunting shacks / cabins and trailways. This also has an SD card. Comes with a 32 gig SD card. And you don't need a SIM chip for it. It's built in. It's supposed to pick up the best LTE signal, the 4 LTE signal available. And I will probably, I think I get to try the app before I purchase it. But I think I'm going to purchase a year's worth of pictures from them. I haven't even loaded the app yet. The MagicEagle app, we'll all do that together. So let's get this opened. Warranty for 2 years. Now, I said I don't have any experience with cellular cameras. Actually it's my neighbor's property next to me. He has a different brand. I'm not going to mention the name of the brand, but he has constant problems with it. Not taking pictures, cameras failing, so forth. All right, step 1, download the MagicEagle app. Install. All right, we're installing the MagicEagle app. While that does that, we're going to open it up. Take a look and see what we have as we open it. All right, so we have a nice strap, I see. Okay, they go around the tree. It looks like we got 2 straps. Excellent. Let's pull this foam off. Very well packaged. Look at that. That big block of foam. And very well packaged. Holy cow. They have a block of foam that's molded to this thing. I don't suspect your camera will come damaged, that's for sure. Not with this packaging. Very nicely done, MagicEagle. Ooh, that feels very substantial. There you go. Let's give you a good look at it. First thing I notice, I see the antenna has a mount for it. So let's find the antenna. Yep, typical antenna mount that you'd have on any radio / cellular mount. Let's get a good connection there. This has a little rubber seal. You have a Type-C USB-C input to charge it. That's where the solar panel is going to go into. You have a power button. And it looks like you have a factory reset button and an SD card. So I'll see what this SD card is, a 32 gig. So it will hold a good pile of pictures. You know what I like about this already? On this rubber, they have a rubber port for your cable to slip in here. so you don't have to open this big piece down here. So this cable will slide in through that rubber port to help keep it sealed. That's a nice little feature. You know, you get insects in these things. Some ants, wasps, stuff like that, moisture, like it. You can mount this several different ways, it looks like. You can use a strap. You can use cables. It has this nice grippy back here. Looks like they have a 1/4-20 thread on it. You could use this mount, or you could use that mount for the solar panel. So we're going to use this mount on the solar panel. So let's put that on. Oh no, I didn't bring a screw gun. We'll see. We'll get her. This is going to go like this. I'm not one for instructions, so I'm probably not going to read them. Maybe I should. Typical guy thing. Okay, that will work. Yeah. This will go to the tree, then we'll screw into this. Excellent. Don't have an account yet. Register. Oh, I should read. You know what? I should kind of read the instructions because I did say step 1. Step 2. Pair the camera with your account. All right, I guess we need to make an account. Just click the button below. Activate your MagicEagle account. Your account has now been activated and you can now log into APP, the app. Complete. Okay, let's log in now. There it is, guys. Add a device to get started.
Press and hold the power button to turn on the device. Then wait for the blue light to turn on.
So you get this little activation pin. We all have those. Everybody gets them. There it goes.
Connecting to the network, please wait. Connection succeeded. Now connecting. Please wait.
All right. It's pairing. Oh, there it is. It's complete. So now we're going to go select a location with a stable signal. I'm going to go right down there, guys. That trail goes from right to left or left to right, however you're looking at it. So we're going to go down there and check it out. That deer blind was built in 2000 and what was it built? Like 2003. That cabin. It's 16 by 8. All right. Oh, I see a big tree down over there. All right. So that's where we're looking up the hill. Then we go this way down the hill. We're going to go just a little bit further down here. All right. Where's my trail? Oh, yeah. Look at this trail. It actually looks like a hiking trail. Look at this, guys. This is a deer run. I don't care about walking on it. We'll walk on it. Look at that. You see that? So we're gonna get right on this trail. Let's go down it a little bit. See if we can find a spot where we can ambush them coming through. Okay. Okay. That's a nice little feature, that rubber seal. I've never had any cameras like that before. Okay. It's nice. It's all kinds of possibilities there. Hey, let's check out this app. Looks pretty nice. I've been playing with it. I've deleted a bunch of my photos from me taking the camera to where it needs to be, and this. But here I left 3 of them there. We can preview the thumbnail before we do anything with it. We got a photo there, one here, one there. We go to the back to the device. We go back to playback. I deleted all the different things, but it's got a 10-second video there of me walking up. Maps. Oh, I'm not going to get too close. No sense in showing you where I'm at. Exactly. What is this? What? Oh, it's probably where it was shipped from. It just hasn't updated that yet. Weather. Go to the settings. Now, I did play with some of these settings. 46%. I wish I would have charged it. Now the signal says we're weak. It said moderate just a second ago, but I think when we get, let's get these notifications on. We definitely want it. If there's a person here, transportation, if it takes off, someone takes it. This has anti-theft. It will start vibrating. I can hit sirens. And it will show you on the map exactly where it is. But no moose around here. Antlerless deer, white-tailed deer, no mule deer, no elk, no caribou. We do have bear, though. Is there bear? Bear right here. I'd like to see. I wonder. Let's put a wolf because we do have a lot of coyotes. Turkey. Rabbit. How about other? We'll just put other. Hit save. Okay. Yeah, the signal says weak. All right, I think it looks pretty slick. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to let that cook down there for a week or so and see if we see anything come by, and I'll share it on this video too as well. Let's review what you get with the Eagle Trail Cam. You get Signal Sync 4G, SIM-free network access, always connects to the best local signal, 0.3 second trigger time, 48 megapixel photo, 5 megapixel video. You also get a 13,000 milliamp battery plus solar options equals months of nonstop scouting. You have AI species recognition and behavior pattern analysis, anti-theft protection, gravity sensor, and a GPS real-time tracking.